Okay, question 10, right? You have these two molecules. They say may be prepared by the mild oxidation. Which statement is correct for these two molecules? Okay, so let's quickly sketch out the molecule. Have COH, H, double bond O, and the second molecule OH. Okay, so they are chiral. The second compound is not chiral, so A is wrong. They give a silver precipitate. Silver precipitate. No. The second compound also no. C, they give a yellow PPT. Second compound also no. They have the same empirical formula. This is correct because they have C3H6O3, both of them. All right, so they just have 1 degree of unsaturation. Their empirical formula is the same. Okay, so our answer here is D.